Alpha. I have a diver. Keep wet clear at slow speed. Bravo. I'm taking in discharging or carrying dangerous cargo. Charlie. Yes or affirmative. Delta. Keep clear of me. I'm maneuvering with difficulty. Echo, altering my course to starboard. Foxtrot, I'm disabled. Communicate with me. Golf, I require a pilot. Hotel, I have pilot on board. India, I'm altering course to port. Juliet, I have fire. I have dangerous cargo. To keep clear. Kilo, I wish to communicate with you. Lima, you should stop your vessel immediately. Mike, my vessel is stopped, making no way. November, no or negative. Oscar, man overboard. Papa, according to ship, thus we are about to see at sea. Quebec. Ships meets health regulation, request clearance into port. Romeo, preparing to replenish at sea. Sierra, moving astern. Tango, keep clear, engage in trawling. Uniform, we're running through a danger. Victor, I require assistance. Whiskey, I require medical assistance. X-ray, stop carrying out your attention for watch for my signal. Yankee, I'm dragging my anchor. Zulu, I require a tug.